Dear student, today I discuss the chapter capacitor and dielectric. In this chapter, I discuss the topic capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with dielectric slag between plates. So now we are taking the one dielectric as given in figure, having two plates X and Y and one dielectric substance. Its thickness is small d and dielectric constant K is introduced between these plates X and Y, and separation between the plates is small d, and one terminal Y, plate Y, is grounded. Okay, I think there is no any problem. Okay, beta. Now, in between the space, some air are present. If air between the plate X and Y, then electric field intensity will be now. So suppose that its electric field intensity between these gap are in which place where air is present is E naught. So E naught is equal to the Q upon epsilon naught A. Okay, and now electric field at dielectric slag, suppose ET, and on this slag electric field intensity we are taken E suffix T. Okay, so ET become Q upon K epsilon naught A. Okay, beta. Suppose the electric potential between the plates is capital V. So V is equal to E naught into D minus T. So E naught, that means the opaque place, electric intensity, opaque place where the air is present. So now separation is, total separation is D and thickness T. So opaque portion distance is D minus T. So this one D minus T, and for dielectric, that is ET into separation is T. Okay, now V is equal to E naught into D minus T plus ET into T, beta. So you know value of E naught is Q upon epsilon naught A D minus T plus ET is Q upon K epsilon naught A into T. So now V is equal to Q upon epsilon naught A, so D minus T plus T upon K. Suppose from the definition of electrical capacitance is C is equal to Q upon V. So now C is equal to Q upon V, value of V is given above. So Q upon epsilon naught A and D minus T plus T upon K. So Q cancel. So C is equal to epsilon naught A upon d minus t plus t upon k. This is the formula for electric capacitance for any parallel plate capacitor in which some slabs are introduced in between them. Okay, I hope there is no any problem beta. Okay, clear? This is general formula. Okay, now this is the formula for electrical capacitance for parallel plate capacitor when some slab are introduced between the plate. So now some cases with now first case, if separation the dielectric is equal to separation between the plate, that means you can say if T is equal to D, then C become epsilon naught A upon T D minus D plus T is equal to D, so D upon K, this cancel, so C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D upon K, so C become K epsilon naught A upon D. This is the formula for capacitance in this situation. And now second case, if air is present in between that, so by this reason, so dielectric slabs K is 1. In this situation, C become epsilon naught A upon D minus T plus T upon K. T upon K, K means 1. So C become epsilon naught A upon D minus T plus T. T cancel. So now C become epsilon naught A upon D. This is the electric capacitance for this condition. And now third, suppose a dielectric slab is a metal. In this situation, if dielectric slab is metal, that is K is infinity, so capacitance become epsilon naught A upon D minus T plus T upon infinity. So C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D minus T plus now infinity, that is 0. So C become epsilon naught A upon D minus T. So this is the formula for electric capacitance for a parallel plate capacitor when the some dielectric slabs which are introduced between the plate is metal. So C become itna. I hope there is no any problem beta. Clear? Okay, thanks.